First, limitations. Due to the ongoing pandemic, the real hardware couldn't be experimented. Therefore, there are a few limitations when it comes to this project. The effectiveness of the prototype could not be tested out. Since we are doing this project using simulation, the suitability of the saw blade cannot be tested out. It is important to make sure that the saw blade is sharp enough to cut a wide range of food. Next, DC motor speed. In the real hardware, the speed of the DC motor can be controlled by a DC motor controller, as different kinds of food waste require different speed to cut them into small pieces. Therefore, a variation of speed is restricted. The second limitation is the replacement of sensors with push button. The sensitivity and the range of both sensors used could not be tested out since they have now only have on and off conditions during the simulations. Both the sensors play an important role in making sure that the condition inside it is within the prescribed level. The third limitation is the restriction when it comes to selection of material during construction. It is important to make sure that the machine is constructed with materials that are waterproof and corrosion resistant, since the machine often dealing with food waste that are wet and humid. Improvement on prototype. Since one of the objectives of this project is to make improvement on an existing food waste decomposer, therefore, a few improvements has been made in order to make the indoor food waste decomposer much more efficient. The first improvement that have been made on the prototype is the replacement of fan blades with saw blades. The reason behind this replacement is because fan blades are not sharp enough to cut bones and meats, while the saw blades are much sharper and efficient when it comes to grinding food waste into small pieces. The next improvement that have been made is the replacement of hairdryer with industrial heater. The reason behind this replacement is because the heating process is less efficient with hairdryer due to the size of its nozzle. The industrial heater, which have a higher rated power, makes the heating process much more rapid and efficient. Third, the addition of green LED. Why do I do so? This is to ensure the safety of the user, since the green LED will only light up when the food decomposition process has been completed. This will make the user much more alert by making sure that the food tank is properly closed whenever the green LED is off. The last improvement that have been made on the machine is the change in the orientation of the shaft. The shaft is changed to a lower position. This makes sure that the food waste will be grinded into small granular pieces regardless of the height of the food waste.